afternoon sa inyong lahat ulit. Magkakaroon po tayo ng tab. Okay? We will have a tab going to open. It is a land cover update project. We have at least 56,000 maps available for you guys to work on today. Okay? So first of all, I will share the document sa inyo kung ano yung gagawin natin para sa tab na to. Wag niyo munang i-flood yung messages para sa mga unwanted message, please. Okay. Guys, please check the documents first for the project workflow. So, i-discuss ko muna yung project workflow natin today. Project workflow po natin for this tab, land cover update project. First, we have to check for man-made features throughout the task and for repair. We have at least 6 pixel error allowance, mainly shift buildings para doon, para ayusin natin. Missed, overcalled, or man-made feature. If there is any missed building, we have to capture them as missing building and tag them as missed. Pero wag po nating i-label yung mga backyard houses. Okay? Only main buildings. Only main buildings that would be residential buildings, like for example, this one. Pero yung mga backyard small houses, please do not label them as missed building. Copy? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, we have to check for topo errors and fix. Press Ctrl T to locate the topo error. Mostly yung reason ng topo error natin is shape and original result. Change of buildings cause small gaps with man-made features around them. And number 3, don't just use filling tool. Okay? Check muna natin yung image before natin gawin yon. Sorry, hindi pala ako naka-share screen. Sorry. Okay, can you see my screen, guys?
Yes,
okay.
boss.
Balikan natin ulit. Project workflow, nagbigay ko sa inyo yung sheet natin. Andyan po yung project workflow natin. First, you have to check for man-made features thoroughly. Okay? And repair for 6 pixel errors. Tapos, missed or overcalled man-made feature, we have to draw or delete them. Missed building, again, we have to label them and tag them as missed building. Number 2, check for topo errors. Click Ctrl T and fix for them. Mainly causes nila is yung mga gaps, changes in buildings, or changes sa ating images. Kailangan nating ayusin yun. And let us not use filling tool ng ganun kadali. Kailangan natin pa rin i-check yung area or yung image itself. Okay, magbe-base pa rin tayo sa image. So, ano yung magiging itsura ng ating map? Okay, this is our map. Mostly, for this project, the label is good na. But, we still have to check for missed, overcalled, for missed and overcalled features. Okay? So first of all, before you start working on your maps, press Ctrl P. Okay. Right after you press Ctrl P, there will be errors such as driveway not connected to the road, silver gaps. So for this one, we have to check. Okay? First, you have to check. This one, nakalabel siya as driveway. As we all know, yung part na to is building. So, hindi naman pwede na magkaroon ng driveway for that, or in that case, area niyan, since may building dito sa gitna. For this image, we have to select this and change them or fix them. So, for this one, we can label it as pavement. Okay? That would be much reasonable enough. Number 2, silver gap. Okay. So, for this one, silver gap. What are the causes of these errors, silver gaps? Ano yung main or ano yung idea nyo kung bakit nagkakaroon tayo ng ganun? Use filling tool. What?
Nag-repair line.
Repair line, may butas. Okay. So for this specific error, as you can see, we have a silver gap nga, di ba? So first, you have to check if what is the cause. Meron tayong gap. So for this gap, we have to check then kung tama yung gawa. So as we all know, as what you all see, this is ground. right? And there is no sidewalk for this part right here. So habang may oras pa naman tayo, kaya pa naman, we should fix this. Ayusin natin. Ganyan. This would be much reasonable for us kaysa naman gawin nating sidewalk yung gitna. Right? May correct? Okay, next. We have to fix at least 6 pixel error, like I said. We have to check for mist or overcold. Like this one, this for example. As we all know, this is not a driveway. This is a backyard house. Meron lang tayong road dito sa part na to. So for this case, guys, we can delete this driveway and lipat natin dito. Meron tayong mist driveway para sa area na yan. You understand?
Yes, sir.
If we kailangan natin mag-check para sa at least 6 pixel errors natin. Meron tayo ditong additional na attributes which is median and planting strips. Planting strips is usually commonly nakikita natin yan sa gilid ng kalsada. Like example this one. This is a planting strips. Okay? So if ever na meron tayong makita na planting strips, we should label them as well. Understand? Median po, that is a center island. Mostly nakikita natin yan in between the road. Center islands, we should label them as medians. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then meron po tayo dito mga
Excuse me,
additional.
sir.
Yes?
Mag-overlap yan, sir, pag ma-label mo yan?
No. No, we can... Hindi natin kailangan i-overlap yung median or yung planting strip sa driveway. Driveway is still driveway. Kailangan na natin i-overlap is yung driveway sa sidewalk.
Ha?
Excuse.
Ibalik pa rin ko yung ano.
You understand?
So
Okay,
yun yung
sir.
printer. Wala, ayaw pa rin siya mag-print.
Pa-mute, please.
Hindi mag-overlap na tol?
Hindi. So now, any questions? Nasundan? Did you follow? Sundan po.
Yeah.
Okay. Meron po tayo ditong additional na mga labels. We have unpaved road, unpaved sidewalk, unpaved parking lot, and unpaved driveway. Ano yung pagkakaintindi nyo para sa unpaved road, unpaved sidewalk, and unpaved parking and driveways?
Hindi sementado.
Not paid.
Okay, they're not cemented. Dirt roads. Okay. So, like for example, in some cases, meron tayong mga sidewalks sa likod ng bahay which is connected sa backyard houses. For example, for this one. As you can see, it is a sidewalk, right? But the difference is this one is paved. It is cemented. This one is not. This is just grounds. So for this case, we can label it as, since it is a missing sidewalk, we can label them as missed sidewalk. But we should tag them as unpaved sidewalk. Okay? So we have to connect sa building yung mga ganitong label. Okay? Huwag niyong lalagyan ng gaps, guys. Buildings are shifted. But we should connect them.
So sorry. This is
Yes, sir?
Paul.
Okay, sorry,
Yeah, I
sir.
need to insert here. For this sidewalk, we don't need to capture. And I see some people is discussing about the semi-center, something. The center of the sidewalk or anything like that. We need to keep I want to remind you guys that we also need to look for the shifting issue. All right, because you will see some like sidewalk is being shifted. It's not in the precise location, something like that. So in that case, we need to be more careful.
Okay, sir. So we do not have to capture for missing sidewalks like for this one?
Like small sidewalk in the backyard like this, it's okay to ignore.
Okay. So we just have
Yeah.
to, guys, we just have to check for the sidewalks which is shifted or any other labels which is shifted. Right, sir?
Yes, yes.
And fix for them. Like for example, this one. As you can see, this is a driveway and it is not connected into the building since the building is shifted. So for this one, sir, right? We should connect them into the building.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We are looking for the arrow that is greater than 6 pixels.
Okay.
Okay, I want everyone to keep in mind of that.